It was a difficult struggle. I came with $1,400 in my pocket. I somehow had faith that good things will happen after first semester. And I think it is that kind of confidence and experimental spirit that my father gave to me. It was a journey, and during that journey, so many people were helping me. Was the lowest paid worker in my company. I made $2.48 per hour. I was putting my heart and soul in my job. I was so frustrated that there were so many things that should be done and were not being done. I would go home and tell my wife, if I was the president, I would do this. I really had a blueprint in my mind how to help this company.
That is what speaks about his vision, right? I mean, this company has been around for 180 years, and for the most part of it, it was mainly in automotive business.
As soon as I heard that SS White is being sold, I said I should buy it. To say it out loud that I want to buy this company, you feel awkward, you feel embarrassed to dream that dream. So I go home, I tell Meena, they're selling it for only $6 million. Let's buy it. So she said, we have $6,000. So I said, we are almost there. Then I went bank after bank after bank. Everybody was laughing at me. It took 8 months, and then one bank gave me $6 million.
He changed the direction of the company. So he brought in aerospace business. And many years later, he got us into medical device manufacturing. So that gave us not only diversified portfolio, but it also made the business stable.
Florida makes me happy, and it makes me more creative. I don't know what it is, sunshine, good weather. So I said, I want to move to Florida. And everybody says, you're crazy.
We had found this building because it met the specs that they were looking for. But this building originally had a bunch of wet lab space in it, so it was very cut up. To look at it, to me, I couldn't see it. Rahul walked up there and took a look at it and said, oh, this will work. I can make this work. And we're all scratching our heads like, how does he see that?
I wish there were more like him. You will always see him mentoring people, guiding them, motivating them. It's not preachy. Of course, he does it with his charm and humor, but he's a great leader. He motivates all of our younger workforce here.
He writes, he draws, he writes poetry. He is a balanced individual. So it's the kind of company that when you dig into it and you learn more about how it works and the way it works and the way he wants it to work, you realize that the people that get the honor of working in this company, they've got it made.